Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Valorant Error Code 57. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what I suggest to do here and what they suggest to do here is to simply reboot your computer for the first time. If still the issue appears, I will show you what you need to do next. So first of all, go to installed apps, then look for Vanguard, then you just need to press installed, right? Wait for a couple of seconds, then you just need to press yes here, right? And wait until installation process is done. After Vanguard is uninstalled, then just launch client, go to Valorant, and then you need to press update to install Vanguard. After install process is done, then go to services, go to VGC, just click on one of the tasks here and press V, go to properties, and then go to automatic and make sure service status is should be not stopped, should be running. So if it's stopped, you just need to press start, right? Wait for a couple of seconds, apply OK, and then you just need to restart client and simply just press play. If it's not working, then restart your computer and it should work. So let me try that.